Okay, so the equation of a straight line, you might remember this formula from maybe an earlier chapter that we covered, but y is what you are predicting, and then your b variables are your predictive variables, those variables that are ultimately going to predict y. So in this equation, you have b0, which is your intercept, and that would be the value if you didn't have a predictive variable, what y would be. However, in this equation, you've got B1, which is the coefficient of your predictor, and the slope of the line, and also the direction of the relationship. And as you're going to see as we go through this chapter, that these variables are going to give you some indication of what is going to happen to y as a result of adding predictive variables into the equation. And then this over here, as you may recall, is the amount of error. So anytime you're doing a prediction equation, you're going to have predictors, and then you're also going to have error because it is a prediction equation. So that's the equation of a straight line, which we will use in regression.